I'm Christopher, and I will be your instructor for Marketing 330 Consumer Behavior. Welcome to the class. I'm glad you're here. This semester, we're going to get into how and why consumers buy, the decisions they make, and we're going to look at you as a consumer as well. That's going to be part of your project. Now, some of you may have had me for Marketing 310, and if so, welcome back. I'm glad you're back here with us. But as you'll tell some of your classmates, there are certain things that I do expect in this class. I do expect for you to meet the deadlines in the class for the discussions and the assignments. I expect you to write concisely and thoroughly. I expect you to follow APA. And I also expect you to contribute to the conversations in a meaningful way. So let me back up just a second to APA because there's always questions about that. If you have any questions on APA, you can always buy the manual, or there is a great website that they have called www.apastyle.org. They can answer all of your questions there about APA. I am going to be looking for complete citations and references in all of your papers, and I would also like to see them in your posts. If you write something such as Facebook has 17 million subscribers, that is the kind of information that is generally not well known and thus needs a citation and a reference. Another thing I expect you to do is follow APA convention when writing in both your discussions and your papers. By that I mean I want to see you take the questions and turn them into APA style headings. It will help you organize your paper so you won't forget anything in either the discussion or the paper, and it will also make it easier for me and your classmates to read to make sure that you have covered all the parts in the required assignment. Now, every week I am going to do 3 announcements. I am going to do a kick-off the week announcement. I'm going to do a midweek announcement that might ask you a question or push you a little further along, and then I'm going to do a wrap-up announcement about what we covered. I will also do a kickoff post in the discussion to try and cover or hopefully explain some of the information that you're going to see in there to help you understand it a little better. I will also ask you questions and respond to your initial discussion post each week. I'm not there saying that you're wrong if I question something you say. I'm just trying to push you out of the nest a little bit and get you to think a little deeper about the topic or explain something a little better or research something a little more. So take those in the spirit that they are intended to try and help you learn a little bit more about this class. Make sure that you download the syllabus and understand when all the assignments are due. To me, I understand that the university gives you a little bit of extra time to do assignments, but it seems really stupid to me to lose an entire letter grade just because you can't keep up with your work. I understand what you're going through. I did both my master's and my PhD online while working 2 jobs and raising a family. So I know the pressures that you're under, but I also know that if you'll develop a schedule and keep with it, you're going to be very successful in this class, and that's, after all, why you came back to school. If you have any questions or expectations of me, please let me know. Don't hesitate to email or call. I'm here to help you be successful on this education journey. I want you to be successful. I want you to do well in the class, and I want you to come out of here with something you can use. So hopefully this will be a great class for everyone, and I look forward to talking to you on the boards. Thanks.